Hey guys, we're going to jump right in today and start by correcting the metaphor practice from yesterday. And some of them were a little tricky, so I want to make sure we went over them. Number 1, he overwhelmed the boxer with avalanches and punches. Two things being compared, the boxer's punches are being compared to avalanches. Number 2, the musicians spun great webs of sound. So the musician's sound is being compared to the spinning of great webs. Number 3, we were crushed by the hammer of sunlight. Being crushed by a hammer is being compared to being crushed by like the sunlight or the sunlight. Number 4, children are the most beautiful flowers of all. Children are being compared to beautiful flowers. And then number 5, there I waited, crouched behind my pointed wall of words. So crouching behind a wall is being compared to the person's words. Okay. So that was the assignment the practice from yesterday. Today you've got two things that you're going to be doing. There is a metaphor assignment today. So you will open that up and type in your responses just like we did with the simile assignment. Although this time if you guys could, write in complete sentences, really appreciate it. I let it go on the simile assignment, but, going to start losing points. Number 1, your shadow is the sunlight on the plate. You would type in the shadow is being compared to sunlight. Okay, and I did not capitalize the, so I want to make sure I go back and do that. Okay, so that is the metaphor assignment. Okay. The next thing that you are doing today is reading chapter 2, Number the Stars, or if you want to, I again did provide a recording, you can listen to it. Okay, so chapter 2, and then you do have an assignment, and you have 5 true and false questions. It does cover materials from chapter 1 and 2. After you finish the multiple choice, you're going to click Next, and that will take you to 2 short answer questions. Please make sure that you write complete sentences. Capitalize at the beginning, punctuation at the end, guys, okay? So that is it for Wednesday. Okay, so again, you have your metaphor assignment, and you have chapter 2, read or listen to the chapter, and then answer the chapter 2 questions. Okay, if you've got any questions, please let me know, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.